So we're here today just to clean or change a filter on our inline filtrations. And so first of all, we just isolate the supply. Once we've isolated the supply, we can now depressurise the line. If you don't depressurise the line, you will not be able to open the canister. So once we've depressurised it, bled off the line, we can now open the canister using the supplied wrench. Simply just crack it open, undo, and we can see how much of the iron in the line has been captured, which is quite significant, as that filter is white when it's installed. And we can also see the water that's on the outside. So, and that's, now we just take it over to a hose, any water, and clean in between the leaves. This can be done 3 to 4 times, maybe once a fortnight would be sufficient. Once a iron particles is caught on the outside of the filter, and that's what we just clean off to enable flow to continue through. We just return the filter to the canister, making sure it's centered. Just return the canister onto the unit. Doing it up firm. There. Now again, using the supplied ratchet, not over tightened but firm. Slowly turn your isolation valve back on. De-air the line, so you've got no air locks or air going through your household. When the air stops coming out, the line is now charged, and we can turn our isolation valve fully on, and services return to normal.